In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update or upgrade your Shotcut video editor to the latest version. In as much as Shotcut is used offline, you can go ahead and upgrade it to the latest version. To do so, just go to this function called help here and then click on it. And from this, you can see an option called upgrade. So if you go ahead and tap on upgrade, you'll be asked to confirm if you want to automatically check for update in the future. And if you're okay with it, just tap on yes. And then you can see here it is checking for updates. As you can see, we have this version that is available. So to get it, just click on this and it will take you direct to the Shotcut website. And now here, it's time to go ahead and download the latest version. So just go ahead and click on download. I'll choose Windows installer and I'm here told my download will begin shortly. And here we go. It is being downloaded. And now once the download is done, just go ahead and install this latest version of Shotcut that you'll have received. So that's how you upgrade or update Shotcut to the latest version. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.